Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your trusted channel for all things automotive. Today, we bring you an in-depth review of the 2025 Suzuki Axilo 125, a bike that's designed for performance, efficiency, and practicality. Whether you're a daily commuter or a casual rider, the Axilo 125 offers something for everyone. Let's dive into the details. Introduction to the Suzuki Axilo 125. The 2025 Suzuki Axilo 125 is the latest iteration of Suzuki's renowned commuter motorcycle. Known for its reliability and fuel efficiency, the Axilo has been a popular choice in the 125 cubic centimeter category for years. This year, Suzuki has stepped up its game by introducing new features, updated styling, and enhanced performance to meet the evolving needs of riders. Design and styling. The Axilo 125 comes with a sporty and aerodynamic design, making it stand out in the competitive commuter segment. Its sharp lines, bold graphics, and modern color options add a fresh and youthful vibe. The upgraded LED headlight ensures better visibility at night, while the sleek taillight complements its overall design. With a comfortable seat and ergonomic handlebar positioning, the bike is tailored for long commutes and city rides alike. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Suzuki Axilo 125 is a 124 cubic centimeter single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, producing around 9.5 horsepower and 9.2 newton-meters of torque. The 4-speed transmission is smooth and responsive, ensuring a hassle-free riding experience. With a fuel consumption rate of approximately 55 to 60 kilometers per litre, the Axilo proves to be economical for everyday use. The bike now includes a digital analog instrument cluster. Features and technology. Suzuki has equipped the Axilo 125 with modern features to enhance rider convenience, offering vital information like speed, fuel level, and trip details at a glance. The electric start system ensures a quick and effortless ignition, while the improved braking system, featuring a front disc brake, provides better control and safety. Ride comfort and handling. Riding the Axilo 125 is a pleasant experience, thanks to its lightweight frame and responsive suspension. The telescopic front fork and swing-arm rear suspension absorb bumps effectively, making it suitable for uneven urban roads. The comfortable seating position and optimized foot peg placement reduce rider fatigue, even during long journeys. Pricing and verdict. Priced competitively, the 2025 Suzuki Axilo 125 is an excellent option for those looking for an affordable, stylish, and reliable commuter bike. Its updated design, efficient engine, and practical features make it a standout choice in the 125cc segment. For more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles, stay tuned to Next Gen Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.